Good morning, my boys, and welcome back to the only math channel on this platform that requires a whole balancing act to complete. I mean, look at this. That's my setup. So let me set right up there. And today we have a very integral to solve. Some of you may have already seen it. If you're watching this, you probably have. It is the integral from 0 to 1 of x to the 4 times 1 minus brackets x to the 4 all over x squared plus 1 dx. And this integral has a very MEMEY answer that some of you may love. I have not done this. It's going to be an algebraic mess, but we're going to do it. So let's just jump right in. 0 to 1 of x to the 4. Let's split it up into, let's square the top term and then square it again so it's easier.
Duh.
So the top term squared is 1 minus 2x plus x squared, and that's all squared. And then on bottom we have x squared plus 1 dx. Okay, and now let's square the top term. So that's gonna be ugly. Let me rewrite it out just to make it easier.
1 minus 2x plus x squared.
Cut right through the dx. And then, my boys, we're gonna get equals the integral from 0 to 1 of x to the 4. 1 times 1 is 1. 1 times that is itself. So we got the 1's complete. And now let's go to the 2x. Minus 2x again. Minus 2x times minus 2x is plus 4x squared. And then minus 2x times x squared is minus x to the 3. That's all done. And then the last term, it's plus x squared minus 2x to the 3 plus x to the 4. And that's all times x to the 4. It's all over x squared plus 1. That equals square root of the integral from 0 to 1 of x to the 4 minus. Okay, and I'm not even gonna begin to factor that. And if you use integration by partial fractions, you're gonna get an I on bottom. We don't want that. So the best way to do this is to long divide it. I have not long divided in a while. Let's long divide. X squared plus 1 into x to the 4. We want it descending. Yeah. We want it the opposite way. X to the 8 minus x minus 4x to the 7 plus 6x to the 6 minus 4x to the 5 plus x to the 4 plus 0x to the 3 plus 0x squared plus 0x plus 0. Okay. We want to divide it all in. Do you even need the zeros? I don't know.
Bruh.
Okay. So what?
Stop!
I'm just gonna tell you the answer. I don't care. Long dividing is stupid.
Yep.
The answer, if you long divide it, equals the integral from 0 to 1 of x to the 6 minus 4x to the 5 plus 5x to the 4 minus 4x squared plus 4 minus 4x squared plus 4 all minus 4. Here's the remainder, 4 over x squared plus 1
That was easy.
dx. That's a lot easier if I just tell you. And now, let's just integrate this normally with 0 to 1.
Integrate it normally.
So we're going to get
X to the 7 over 7 minus to the 6, that's 2 over 3 x to the 6. This, if you add 1, it's plus x to the 5. This is minus 4 over 3 x to the 3. This is plus 4x.
this is minus 4 arc tan x, all 1 to 0. And notice, all the 0 terms cancel out. Because arctan 0 is 0, and all these have an x. So we only want to evaluate this at 1. Yay! Okay, so let's start doing that. 1
Over 7 minus 2 over 3 plus 1 minus 4 over 3 plus 4
minus 4 arctan of 1. And now, let's get a common denominator. The common denominator is gonna be, it's gonna be 21.
21?
So 1 over 7 over 21, it's 3 over 21
minus 14 over 21 plus 21 over 21 minus 7 plus 21 is 28 over 21 plus 84 over 21.
and this is 4 times pi over 4, right? And now, let's crunch all the numbers. So 66 over 21 minus pi, or if you reduce this, you get 22 over 7 minus pi. And that is the MEMEY answer that shows that 22 over 7 is bigger than pi, because this integral is positive. You can do it just by looking at the graph. Here's the graph, and 22 over 7 minus pi is bigger than 0. Therefore, 22 over 7 is bigger than pi. And that is almost more equal to pi than pi is to itself. And that was the MEMEY long division integral that I didn't do. That's a good place to stop, boys.